Amazon Transcribe is a service that employs machine learning models to convert speech audio to text, allowing you to add it as a feature to any application. Amazon Transcribe features allow you to take an audio or video file and ingest it to produce easy-to-read transcripts, improve accuracy with language customization, and filter content to ensure customer privacy. Common use cases for Amazon Transcribe include transcribing and analyzing customer agent calls, and creating subtitles for videos. Amazon Transcribe benefits: custom vocabularies. Amazon Transcribe allows you to specify a list of words you want the service to recognize in your audio input. Custom vocabularies can be used to recognize industry-specific terms that are incorrectly transcribed, spell out acronyms correctly, or improve the accuracy of your transcription output. PII redaction. Amazon Transcribe can help customers identify and redact personally identifiable information, PII, from transcripts. An example use case for this would be call center agent training to improve customer satisfaction. Subtitles. Amazon Transcribe can be used to create subtitles for your video files. Amazon Transcribe supports Web VTT and sub-RIP subtitle formats. You can select one or both formats to output when setting up your batch video transcription job. Vocabulary filtering. Remove or tag words you want to eliminate from your transcripts. Vocabulary filtering helps you filter for any word you consider offensive and mask or remove it from your transcript. Use vocabulary filtering to generate family-friendly captions of a TV show or remove proprietary information from transcripts of confidential discussions.